Okay, if you guys can tell me. Trying to play with this guy because he might be ready to go. She's been testy for the last couple weeks, so. How's it sound out there? Through the empty glass I see there's enough humanity. Fragile matter unrefined, litter in my cluttered mind. There's a place inside my mind where my dreams remain. Shadows cloud my tear-struck eyes through the broken window pane, falling closer to the stars. Time and space, it's so bizarre. Brace myself now for the fall. Read the writings on the wall. Kiss the earth and taste the wind. Feel her breath upon my face. Tomorrow I may breathe again. Rejoin the human race. On its axis as it turns, revolves around the sun. Weight of all this fragile matter, unbalance has begun. On its axis as it turns, revolves around the sun. Weight of all this fragile matter, unbalance has begun. Yes, that's how this story goes. As the population grows, Earth retains her gentle glow. As I stare out my window, in the years of time gone by, I fall through the tear-born sky. All that's left is fragile matter. She sings her ancient lullaby. All we are is fragile matter, Mother Nature's lullaby. 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 Do you see yourself? Would you believe you're all a part of this history? Stories told long ago, before you even grow. It's all tomorrow. I look into your eyes. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna have some fun tonight with this.